Hi friends, we are going to discuss in this session is history of Python or Python history. Python is invented by Guido van and Rossum in the started in the year of 1989, but he came into the picture but it came into the picture in the year of 1991 in February. It is a point one. Point two. Python is taken from the ABC programming language. In the year of the 1989, he worked on the ABC programming language team, but he observed that many loopholes and bugs in this ABC programming language. Then he started that working on the scripting language called a new scripting language called Python, and he resolved that loopholes in the ABC programming language. But he created virtual machine is called virtual machine and a parser from the using that ABC programming language. Using this ABC programming language, Python name is Python name or name is taken from the TV show name called Monty T. Python's Flying Circus. From this, he is assigned there from this TV show. He is taken name called Python. In 1991, February, he released Python version called Python version 0.9.0. He is included many features called many many enhancements like data types, data types, error handling, error handling, functions, functions, and etc. Fifth, 94 January, he released Python version 1.0. In this, he included lambda, maps, filters, and reduce functions, etc. In the 2000 October, the year of 2000, October, he released Python version 2.0. In this, he included list comprehension, full garbage collector, supporting Unicodes. In 2008 December, he released Python version Python version 3.0. In this, he included new enhancements like Python is a function instead of command and statement in the Python 2.0, and uh, int is only data type in Python 3.0 instead of int long in the Python 2.0. Division of two integers, it the gives the floating value floating point value, but in Python 2.0 it gives integer. Note: Python 3.0 is not backward compatible to the Python 2.0. Python on features. First one is simple and easy to learn. Second is freeware and open source. Third one is high level programming language. Fourth one is dynamically typed programming language. Instead of writing program, you can write PL also. Fifth one, extensive library support. It contains the extensive library. Lots of libraries are there, like NumPy, pandas like scikit-learn or some I don't know that names called, etc. One, it is a both procedural, procedural and object-oriented programming language compared to next topic, tools, tools required for working with Python programming language. First one is Python software, software. Second one is IDE. IDE means integrated development environment. Here we are going to take like version 3.10. Here we are going to take that VS Code or PyCharm or brackets also we can use. I'm going to install that Python 3.10. First go to the browser, Python software download. Download the Python software. Here Python 3.11.4 is the latest version, but we want Python 3.10. Windows. Here we are going to search the Python 3.10. This is the Python 3.10. Here we are going to click on the Windows installer. Windows installer 64-bit. For me it is downloaded. After completion of the download, first before uh, before going to click on the install now option, here path also location. Path means where that Python software or installation folder is in. It is in C drive, users, and users. This is my username, and app data and local programs. In that program folder, Python one folder is created in this Python 3.310. In this folder, this it will install that all the required libraries and binaries. Before going to click on the install now button, first we have to add path python.exe to the path. Path means I will show you that. Go to properties. Here go to advanced system settings. Not here. Sorry. Environmental variables. Here in this system path, it will automatically added. We don't need to add the path. In Java, we have to add that manually, but in Python, if you want to check this, check tick this option, it will added automatically while installing the Python. If you click on this install now button, it will install the successfully. I have already installed the Python 3.10 version. That's why I'm stopping. Or you want to cancel? Yes. After installing that Python, Open fresh command prompt. Open fresh command prompt. Not previously opened command prompt. Open that fresh command prompt. Here, check the Python version. Here it will give the Python version 3.11.2.2. Now we are going to install that. I'm going to write for instructions of checking the version. Version check for Python. After completion of Python installations fully, we need to check the Python is installed or not in CMD or terminal. Open CMD or terminal and type the Python version. Press enter key. Next, second one is installation of the IDE. Go to that browser and go to the new tab and here type Visual Studio Code download. Here go to that download button. If you are using that Windows means click on this one Windows button. If you using that Linux or Mac means go to the this two. If you click on the Windows button, it will automatically install downloads the .exe file from the website. Click on the this e.exe file, accept the agreements and click on the next like simple only. I have already installed in my system. That's why I'm canceling or terminating this execution. Or if you want to PyCharm means you can install that PyCharm also. PyCharm download PyCharm IDE for professional or community also. This is a professional version for developing and web applications. This is a community version for only for Python, pure Python development. If you want to go to the brackets also, brackets is a some some editor. It is a like some editor only, not IDE, but you can develop, you can write that code nicely for HTML also, for Python and HTML also. Like another ID, we can use the Notepad also, but compared to Notepad, uh, Visual Studio Code is better. I will open that Visual Studio code. We can type the code in that this. We are getting like this. new window. You will see like this window in the Visual Studio Code. New file, and open folder, clone from the Git repository. These are all are available in that Visual Studio Code. Thank you, friends. We will see you in the next session. In that next session, we are going to uh, see the functions like one common functions like in the next session we see the common functions like print print function, type function, id function. In next session we are going to see that the three print type and id function with codings also.